So hi guys, hi hello. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a maze game in code.org. So first we have to go to code.org. After that we have to go to Sprite Lab. Yeah, so first of all to make a maze game, first we have to go to world and set background color to we can set the background color to green. Yeah, green is good. And now we can go to costumes and make a new costume. Now what we have to do is you can choose your favorite color. I'm choosing I think not green. I'll choose yellow. After choosing yellow, choose this stroke tool. After taking the stroke tool, make a line like this, and then after that we have to make this like this, and then now we have to make it like this. So now I'll do Control Z because I've made. Now what we have to do is do this again and do this again. And now what we have to do is erase this part. And then after that we can erase this whole part and take the stroke tool and make a pathway here. And then after that, after making this, what we have to do is again we have to take the eraser tool, and now we have to go to code, and then now we can do one more thing is we can make a new sprite as this. And after this we can go to events, or we can go to sprites here, and then after that what we have to do is change the size of this. After that what we have to do is first, yeah, set the maze's size to I think 200, or 200 is small, 300, or what about 550? It is big, so 500 or 450 pixels, or we can do 400. Yeah, this is better. And then after that, we will click on this button and adjust it properly. And then after that, what we have to do is go to costumes. As you can see, there is a mistake here, so we have to remove it. It should look neat because then it will be good. Yeah, it has erased. And now after that what we have to do is make a new sprite as our player. So for the player we can go to sprites, or we can, like, I'm going to costumes and clicking on new costumes. And now I'll go to fantasy, and I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to choose this one also, and even this one and this one, and yeah, and done. So there now there are so many sprites. We'll choose this. You can choose your favorite sprite. I'm choosing this. Okay, not green. We can choose not even this. Yeah, this is good. And now we have to change the size of this. Set this sprite size to 110 or 70. Yeah, 70 is nice. Yeah. So 70 is nice. So what we have to do is now, and now after that what we have to do is we have changed the size to 70, and now we have to locate it properly over here. And now we have to go to costumes. If you search a new costume as any door, we need to make a door. But door is not there. You can see. So what we can do is close this. We can go to cards and games. I will make a new costume, or we can click on Google as door animated, and then after that what we have to do is go to images. Now after going to images, what we have to do is select a nice image, like not this one or this. Yeah, or this is good. I'll copy this image, or I can choose another one, like this one is good, or this one. Yeah, this one. I'll copy this image and go to new costume, draw your own, make a line and paste it. I'm going to be making another line and control plus V. Or I'll make a new costume, draw your own. Or I'll again copy this again. Or another thing we can do is we can now we can also make a door, like draw your own and take a rectangle. We can also take a rectangle, but since this is not copying, we could do another way. This one, yeah, this one. Yeah, we are going to choose this and make a rectangle tool and pen tool and make a yellow one. Or still we can make it around. Yeah, this one. Take the stroke tool. Take the rectangle tool and make it black. Take the bucket and fill it with this. And now take the same one which we have took, and again like this. Take the stroke tool and make it like this. As you can see, this is better. Go to code and make a new sprite as door and put it here. Or now we can go to costumes, new costumes, cards and games, scroll down, and now you can choose this one. You can choose this and go to code, make a new sprite, and place it here. And sprite set size to 50. Yeah, and place it here nicely. And after that, go to behaviors. And our alien sprite should be walking. For that, with our arrow keys, we can go to behaviors and moving with arrow keys. And now run, and it will be moving with the arrow keys. And one more thing, what we can do is that now, as we have done this, now if our sprite world, and now if our sprite, we can go to behavior. When our alien sprite touches this yellow sprite, when our alien sprite touches this yellow maze, we can go to world, set background to black, sprites, remove, and again go to world, sprites, all sprites. Yeah, and then after that we can go to text, show title screen, put in caps lock, game over, and then after that we can try it. Reset, run. Now we can put it while, and now we can change the location of the sprite to here and run. Run. Now we can still do one more thing. We can just remove this rule as we can make this game more simpler. And now this is came the difficult part, we can take this copy paste, and we can place them here as we are going to need many of them. We can take it from here. Yeah, so first this one, and when our alien sprite touches the door, it should land in a different room. So for that, go to world, set background to something nice. We can create a new maze. Now we can draw your own. And now again we can choose yellow. Control Z. We can take the stroke tool. Make this like this. And now after that we can take some orange. We can take some dark orange, or we can take, yeah, and then we can fill it here. And then after that, what we have to do is same alien sprite at around here. Run, and now we have to touch the door. Now what will happen is that, so now we can change the background to this, and now we can remove all sprites first and reset run. And then again say, now we have to copy this block. No, not this. Copy this block and paste it here, and copy this block and paste it here, and now run. As you can see, it is moving. You can see it's moving. So after that, now what we should do is simply, now when it, now we have to make a new sprite. Make a new sprite as this, and after that set the size to around 400. Now we can copy this. These are all shortcuts so that we make this game faster. And now we can use this. Now we can click on run, and you see that now. Now what we can do is we can take the eraser tool, or we can remove this whole thing, or we can exchange this. Can take the eraser tool, make it bigger, yeah, and take the pen tool and make it into this color, and then put it here, or control Z and stroke tool. And then after that, what we have to do is fill in this color and code. And now you can see, let's run it. And now it should spawn somewhere here. So for that, what we have to do is it should spawn here x66 and y112. So after that, what we have to do is go to sprites, uh, y66 somewhere. Yeah, this is nice. Run. Oh, we did a mistake. We can make this 200, 200. Yeah, so now reset run. And after that, this one x87 y107, x87 y107. So now we can, now x, yeah, this is around, yeah, this is nice. Run. And after that, we can put all this we can put all this here, or After remove sprites, yeah. Now we have to go to sprite again. We can drop this here. When our alien touches the orange, now we can go to again sprites. Here we can take this thing and put this here, or no this, or no, we can, or we can make a new sprite, or we can do one more thing, that what we can do is, now we can click, now comes the next part. And now what we have to do is that moving with arrow keys, this as we had done. Now we have to make a new sprite. This is really easy at the first this game, but in the end it is going to be really difficult. Yeah, run. Yeah, it is going to be somewhere here. So what we can do is that now we can make, go to world sprites. We can make a new sprite as a rectangle, and we can make it, we can erase this whole thing. Yeah, we can change the color to brown, and make this like this. Go to code and make a new sprite as this, run, and now this goes here. Now we can do, this is nice. Now we have to change the size to around 70. So we can copy and paste this. And after that, what we have to do is we click on reset run and this door. And after that, after setting the size, what we have to do is now click on reset run, or we can change the size to 120. And now we can put this here, reset run, or put this here, reset run. And now go to costumes and copy this around 10 times. We can control CV, and again. So now we have to make a new sprite, set size to 120, make a new sprite, set size again to 120. Or one more thing we can do, we can come here and remove all this and click on run. We can do one more thing, we can put delete all this, put all this code down here, and after that put all of this in when run, and run. Now this will be easier. I'm going to tell you why this is. And again, we can go here. We can click on reset. Click, put this here. Again, we can first one is this. Yeah, after this, what we have to do is after this we can control CV. Again, we can make new sprite like this. Make a new sprite here and again this here. These are basically the crates which the player has to open, or these are actually the boxes or box, whatever you call them. These are the boxes where the player has to click on click on any click on any click on this play space key to open them, and after that the player has to find a coin through which he can pass. So he can again go to sprites, and then after that go to events. When Yeah, and one more thing, we forgot to do the main thing. Now we have to put this here, or still we can keep this here for our easiness, and again go to sprites events, and when the space key is pressed, what should happen is that, and now what we can do is, now we can make a new cost, or we can remove this, we can duplicate it. Now, how many crates are there? Four are there, so we can make one, two, three, four. And first one we can make a mark of green of black. Second one we can make a mark of red. Third one we can make a mark of blue. And fourth one we can make it as it is. Yeah. So now what we can do is make a new sprite. First one should be like this. Now second one should be this one and this one, this one. Run reset. We can keep this here. Yeah. So first one is this, second one is red one, third one as we know is this one. Run. After this, as you know, these are these many. So as you know, these are these many. So after this, what we have to do is now these are one, two, three, and four. We can put this one, or we can go to costume or change this as, or no, this one. Yeah, this one we can go to code. Yeah, run, and after that reset. So after this, what we have to do is events. When our alien touches this black sprite, what should happen is that nothing should happen. Only No, not touches. When space key is pressed, this some sprite should be removed. So we can come to world, and after that again to location sprites and remove first the red one, and now after that, now next the player what he has to do is he can press E. Okay, now we can do one more thing. When when the player is taken to somewhere, when our alien touches the red one, we should remove the red one. So now we can copy paste. Keep this here, keep this here, make this here, and keep this here. So the first one was red, and now we can make this as black. Now this we can make this as this one and this one. Now when touches this, it should remove. Now when our alien, yeah, when our black is already covered, red is already covered, and after what is there after red? After red there is we can do we can take this, and when this is removed, make a new gold sprite at this place, and then after that we have to click on run. Now see the magic. This is removed, this is removed, and this has come. Now this is not removed. So now we can do one more thing. What we can do is to make confusion for the player. We can copy this, paste this, copy this, paste this, copy this, paste this, make this here, make this here, make this. This is a lot of work to do. Copy and paste, and now we can do one more thing. Make this, we can click on reset, put this here, put this here, put this here, put this here, and again put this here. So now there is a confusion created. Now what we can do is now we can go to simply we can go to costumes. We can select any random things. We can click on run. Nothing is happening. Or we can go to costumes, new costumes. We can do this. We can select all of them instead of this. Now we can select this germ, this germ, this germ, this germ, and this germ. So basically, these are just props and they have no work to be done. Or we can do one more thing. We can make this here, or we can put this somewhere here, put this here, Yeah, as you can see, we have made these crates or boxes, and now comes the main part. After this, when our alien, yeah, so as I was saying, when our alien touches, when our alien touches this, we make a new sprite as a coin. Now what happens? Now when our alien touches the coin, what should happen is that he should go to a new room. He will be removing all sprites. Yeah, remove sprites and all sprites. Yeah, now let's try it. Nothing is happening, and the players come here. Now the blue, nothing happens. Now when or yeah. So here this one is 384. It should be. So we'll copy this and paste this and make this here. Yeah. Now let's try it. Yeah. Now it is working. Now we have to make a new. Now go to world and set the background to this black one, and now we have to go to now again make a new sprite. So now, as I was saying now at the first, do you remember we did something? Yeah. So now we can put this code back here, and now wait. First we can put this code back here, remove all these unused ones, put all this here. Yeah, this. Yeah, we can remove all this. Yeah. So now it's really nice looking now. We are not gonna get confused. I'm placing all this code here. Run. Let's start from beginning. Yeah. And now what will happen is that we have to make a new sprite. Now remember about this when I create why did I create this? Now it comes in an empty room. After this empty room it should show, or we can now, we can do one more thing. Here we can make a new, remember I added this gray one, we can make a gray one, and after this touches this it should come here, game over. Game over. Yeah, now run. Dead. Now he's gone, the player is gone. Now after that what we have to do is, that now we have to make the game a little scary. And now we can copy this, paste this, show title screen this, and make this here, and remove all sprites. C, Control C, V, place this here, and again Control C, V, place this here. Yeah. Now when these touches are gray one, what should happen is run. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So when it touches this, a new sprite should be created as a ghost, or go back or type ghost. Yeah, yeah. We have to go to all categories first. GHOST. Yeah, this one and this one. Go to codes. This is so big one. And after that, after going to code, make a new ghost sprite. Control C plus V, C plus V. Now what should happen is that now go to behaviors. Sprite begins moving with arrow keys. Not moving with arrow keys, it should be moving everywhere. Wandering, edit. Yeah. Now we can run it. Come here. Yeah, you can see. There are so many of them, or we can make it only as two. Yeah. Reset run. Yeah. Edit. And after that, we can. It should be change the direction. Yeah, again, now what we have to do is that we have to create a new coin, make a new sprite. Yeah, and after that, we can make this one the orange. At the starting, I added three coins for this use, and after this level, it is going to end. And then after that, what we have to do is events, and when our alien touches this type of coin, it should come a title screen as you win. You win. Yeah. And then after that, what we have to do is after it comes you win. But what if our sprite even touches the ghost? Then it should show a game over title screen. For that we can put here a ghost, and we can copy this and paste it. Yeah. Now let's try it out. Now imagine if we run into the coin. It's game over. Now if we go to the door, there are many aliens here. There are many germs. Now if any player comes here, he does not know what to do. This gets escaped. And after that, this is not moving with arrow keys. So what should happen now? What we should do is we can remove one of them. We can remove one of them, and what we should do is that again this should not be so difficult so that the player feels it's impossible. And now we should make this somewhere here. Run. Yeah. Now you can see. Now we can make a new sprite. Again, our alien. Yeah, not this. Not the green alien one. And after that, what we should do after making the green alien one, what should we do is that now we should remember that here we added some behavior. Yeah, this we can copy paste it and put this here. We can edit it. Yeah, now close, run. Yeah, this. Now what we have to do is that after this we should make this new sprite here, and when it's game over it should show it should remove all sprites. Here we had, yeah, control, yeah, control C plus V, add this here, again control C plus V, and then add it here. Yeah, run. Nothing happens here, and yeah. And after that, now what we should do is now we can make a one more ghost, or we can make even three ghosts, or even four. Now let's see, run. Yeah, now it's really difficult. Run. Only a fast player can do this. Yeah, he wins it. After that, after he wins it, it should remove all sprites. After removing all sprites, it should set a background also, like this one. Yeah, run. Yeah, you win. So this was the maze game, or you call this is a game. And after that, this is a really fun game. So I hope you like my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.